Okay, if we acknowledge God, how can we establish relationship with Him? I mean, if I am to come to close to a person, my relatives, my friends, I'll meet them, I'll talk to them, but you can't see God and you want to establish relationship with Him, come close to Him. How can we come close to Him when we can't even see Him? The answer given by the Quran to this question is that we are able to appreciate God and come close to Him through understanding, appreciation of His attributes. And then when we appreciate and understand His attributes, we behave accordingly and become close to God. For example, God's attribute of knowledge, perfect knowledge, means that He knows everything. He knows me, what I'm doing, what I'm saying, speaking. He also knows what are my intentions, my views, how I think. So if I behave knowing that God knows everything, accordingly, I will start believing in God and appreciating Him more. You might say that, but this is all assumption. Why would somebody do it when He cannot even be seen? Okay, the fact is that the book that gives us an understanding that God is present and He knows everything is a book that impresses us because of its brilliant presentation, because of its arguments, because of the fact that it has been fully preserved in a brilliant way, very impressive manner. When you start behaving in accordance with the expectations of that book that it lays down for us to be close to God, we start experiencing God. Not always, not every morning, every evening, but sometimes in such undeniable ways that one can see that there are certain things happening which cannot be explained except for the fact that God is there and He listens to us. For example, we pray to God, we seek His help, we ask Him to do certain things for us. Not always, but on some occasions we find that things happen in unbelievable ways. You find that what you have prayed for to your God, probably in your heart, was heard by Him and He responded in a way that surprised you, baffled you. What I'm trying to say is that this entire existence of ours is explained by the understanding of a God who has all the great attributes, and you start leading your life in accordance with the expectations of those attributes, and you will find that you are coming close to God, you are feeling His presence, you are getting satisfaction, you're getting more confident, and you are feeling good. So you start traveling in the right direction, and the more you understand God through His book, the more you feel at peace. And that's what gives you a reason to believe that there is a God, you're believing in the right God, and you are in contact with Him and close to Him.